necesita, pues un saludo, desde los micrófonos de Despertar con Cuba. Y la primera carta.
Solo hay una mucha verdad en la amistad y en la cultura. Con esta sentencia del más universal de... mexicano Luis Alejandro Valle Bueno. Él nos dice que es historiador que se declara como gran admirador del pueblo cubano. Y él...
They're open 256-232-6828 is the phone number. Let's see what else we got going on. Oh, yes, this is going on today. More than 20... That's going on at Athens Limestone County Public Library starting at...
And there's no wine. And forever. Have a good day.
His decency, honor, and kindness served as beacon and should continue to serve as an example for people the world over. He was among the best of us and will be sorely missed.
Your QSL reports. This is WRMI, Okeechobee, Florida.
Please,